Are you looking for the best Helium-10 discount code or a working Helium-10 coupon to save money on your Amazon FBA software? You are in the right place. If you are an Amazon seller, you know Helium-10 is essential, but it is not cheap. What if I told you how to get the ultimate Helium-10 promo code that actually works every single time? Usually, finding a working discount means spending hours hunting the internet for expired codes. Deals change all the time. Sometimes they offer a 10% off lifetime coupon, sometimes it's a 25% off flash sale, and sometimes you can even score massive deals for up to 40% off. Well, you do not need to hunt for codes anymore. I have a special link that automatically updates to give you the absolute best Helium-10 discount available at this exact moment. It might not always be that massive 40% off, but this link guarantees you are getting the absolute lowest price Helium-10 is currently offering. To lock in your savings right now, go click the very first link in the description below. Just click it and it will automatically apply the best active Helium-10 promo code directly to your cart. No typing, no guessing, just instant savings, so you can get back to growing your Amazon business. If this working Helium-10 discount code helped you keep some extra profit in your pocket, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, share this video so other sellers can get their Helium-10 coupon too, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Amazon seller tools and tutorials. Click that link in the description to claim your Helium-10 discount, and I'll see you in the next video.